Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers, to anybody who are interested in foreign exchange trading. FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of you, and today is 20th of November 2018. We are ready to present our point of view of how to trade major currencies in the world financial markets for the short-term period of time. We don't like to concentrate your attention on a longer term points of view of how to trade different currency pairs. Today we'd like to concentrate your attention on the immediate kind of bias that's prevailing in the foreign exchange market. And today the United States dollar is still under increasing selling pressure because of the last appearances of different federal members. Among them, Kocherla Kotar, Mr. Williams, also yesterday added some portion of negativity, expressed concerns regarding the state of the global economic outlook, and as a result, we see that especially such kind of currencies like, for example, dollar yen and dollar Swiss are under increasing selling pressure, and we should understand that during the period of 2018, starting for example in the euro dollar from April, as you remember, United States dollar really started to appreciate from the middle of April, and as a result, the United States dollar, for example, against the dollar Swiss, we moved from a level, let's say, of the daily chart. For example, now we are speaking about the dollar Swiss. For example, from February period, when the dollar Swiss was below 0.92, and to the highs printed just a couple of days ago, around 101.30. As you could see, that's around 10 big figures. And also the same applies, by the way, for the dollar yen. The dollar yen in March period was trading around 104.65, so below 105. But just a couple of days ago, the price in the dollar yen was about 114. So here as well we have around 10 big figures. And now, if such kind of cycle of dollar weakness will continue, we could see some real changes in the currency market that could be resulted in really weaker United States currency. But of course, such kind of situation should be confirmed, and probably at the end of 2018 and the start of 2019 could be a turning point for another let's say another step in the dollar weakness. Now let's speak a little bit about the euro dollar and some other major currencies. As you could see in our strategy list, we are discussing euro dollar, dollar yen, cable and dollar Swiss. Now we already told our point of view, expressed our point of view regarding the dollar yen and dollar Swiss. And in the dollar yen we still keep our short trade recommendation, and this morning we moved our stop loss to the entry level. We still target in the dollar yen, let's see the chart of the dollar yen. In the dollar yen we still target a possible correction, a possible test of the moving average 200 daily line that's located at 110.15. Of course, the break below the uptrend line of 2018 that's located at 112.10 could accelerate the downside pressure in the currency. As regarding the euro dollar, where we still keep our long trade recommendation initiated at 113.35, we should understand that there is a kind of interesting resistance barrier around 116, where lies the so-called downtrend line of 2018 that was drawn from the highs of the middle of April, when the United States dollar started its bullish wave. And as regarding the cable, here the situation is more or less the same. The cable should be a victim of current Brexit negotiation process. Here the situation remained quite unclear, and from that point of view, probably the UK currency will remain under the pressure. In case of really change the situation to the better side, probably the pair should break above 131, where lies downtrend line of 2018. That's from let's say technical point of view, but anyway, there are some further kind of stronger resistances, and probably the strongest one is located at 133, where lies the highs of let be truth, the highs of 19 of September, and also not far from this level we can find a moving average 200 daily line 133.61. So from a longer term point of view, the cable should remain under the pressure while below aforementioned chart barriers. Future Trend channel was with you. Take care and bye bye for now.